Have you ever felt so broken inside that giving up felt easier than moving forward? Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, maybe I'm just not enough? If you have, then this story is for you. Because sometimes, the darkest nights create the brightest mornings. Stay with me, because by the end, you'll see why your story isn't over, it's just beginning. David was an ordinary young man with extraordinary dreams. He wanted to create something of his own, to live a life of meaning and freedom. But reality wasn't kind. His first business failed. His closest friends laughed at him. His family told him to stop chasing impossible dreams. One night, he sat alone in his small room. His desk was cluttered with unpaid bills, rejection letters, and the weight of failure. He whispered to himself, "Maybe I'm just not meant to succeed." The very next morning, David walked into a small cafe. There, he met an old mentor, a retired teacher who always believed in him. The mentor saw his hopeless face and asked gently, "Why are you carrying the world on your shoulders?" David sighed, "I've tried, and I've failed. Maybe success is not for me." The mentor smiled and replied, "Do you know how many times Thomas Edison failed before creating the light bulb? More than 1,000 times. But he never called them failures, he called them steps. Failure is not the opposite of success. Failure is the path to success." Those words pierced David's heart like a spark in the dark. That night, David couldn't sleep. Instead of quitting, he wrote down his dream again, this time with clear steps. He promised himself, "No matter how many times I fall, I will rise one more time." And so, he worked tirelessly. Days turned into months. His nights were filled with books, learning, improving, failing, and trying again. Each mistake became his teacher. Yes, he stumbled again and again. But this time, he refused to stop. Years later, David's small business began to grow. Slowly, then suddenly, people noticed. His name spread. The same people who once mocked him, now respected him. David's story leaves us with 3 powerful truths. 1. Failure is not final. It is a stepping stone. 2. Consistency is stronger than talent. Ordinary people achieve extraordinary results simply by refusing to quit. 3. Believe in yourself first, even if no one else does. My friend, if you are standing at the edge of giving up, don't. Success is always one step after the point where most people quit. Your dream is waiting for you. If this story moved your heart, then don't let it stop here. Share it, live it, and hit that subscribe button right now. Because here at Elizabethhel Tales, we don't just tell stories. We tell the stories that wake up the fighter inside you. Your journey starts today.